Hey, Hamlet. Can I get an owa owa? An owa owa?
So this is my attack dog. People are more afraid of him than they are of most things. Go get him, boy! Yeah, you see that charging at you? Come here, Sam. See this thing charging at you? You better be terrified. Yeah, you better be terrified. They're scary. You're a scary boy. Yeah, you bad. You a bad boy, huh? Yeah, you gonna mess him up for me, right? Yeah. That's my boy. Yeah, it's my boy.
Good morning, my feathered friends. Good morning, my Pepe. Good morning. How are you, Pepe? Go fly. Good morning, Lola. Good morning, Mommy. Go fly, Lola. Good morning, Priscilla. How are you, Priscilla? Step up. Come on. Good girl. Fly. Good girl, Priscilla. Good morning, Caroline. My sweet Caroline. Good morning, Amore. Come on, Mommy. Come on. Come on, little girl. Vente, Mommy. Vente. Come on. Good girl, Amore. Say hello, everybody. Say hello. Say top of the morning.
Oh, dear girl. Hello. Oh, it's good. I love you. I love you. Yeah. That's a bite. You bit my nose. What doing? Hey. Make a pancake. Come on. Oh, not nice.
Bedtime. Let's sort it out. Stop it. Give me a kiss. Fuck's sake. What are you doing? Shh.
I have been feeling really down and I decided to go look at